Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Power off and disconnect the AirPods Max before disassembly. Work on a clean, flat surface with good light and steady hands. You will need a plastic spudger, T5 screwdriver, and a soft cloth for protection. Remove jewelry and discharge static from your body using a grounded wrist strap if available. Keep a small container to hold 2 screws and 3 small metal parts. Photograph each step for reference when reassembling later. Proceed slowly and score progress with gentle force rather than sudden pulls. Start by removing each ear cushion by pulling straight away with steady pressure. Rotate the ear cup slightly and unsnap each ear cup half to expose internal parts. Note and collect 3 small magnets that sit near the cup rim for reassembly. Use a plastic spudger to pry up the inner mesh and expose 2 visible screws. Remove the 2 screws using the T5 screwdriver and place them in the small container. Gently separate the cup assembly from the headband to reveal the headband anchor points. Compress the headband anchor slightly and slide it free from the frame to detach the canopy. Inspect anchor pins and wipe contact areas with a soft cloth before reassembly for reliable fit. To reassemble, reverse the steps carefully and align the headband anchor into its slot while holding the ear cup steady. Tighten the 2 screws snugly without over-tightening to avoid stripping threads. Snap the ear cup halves back into place, replace the 3 magnets, and press the cushions on until they click securely. Test fit and function before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.